Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss how to install DNS server on Windows Server 2022. What is DNS? DNS domain name system. How we can install on server. First of all, we go to server manager, then its dashboard. Here we will go to manage and click on add and remove features, and then click next, select role based features, select a server from the server pool, and here we will see a different feature. We will select DNS server and click next. Friends, here DNS server and its all related feature will be installed automatically. DNS server tool and all other related services will be installed automatically. Then we will click on install. DNS services will be started. After reboot server, then we will verify whether DNS feature is installed or not. Click next. See here DNS server installed. It means our server are installed successfully. Now we will configure our DNS server. Friends, I will tell you one most important thing, that we are installing DNS server on Active Directory domain server. We are not installing DNS on standalone server. Go to start, then servers, tools, then DNS manager. Here we see two lookup zone, forward lookup zone and reverse lookup zone. Forward lookup zone is already configured, and we will configure reverse lookup zone. Click on primary zone and store the zone in Active Directory. Means this DNS server is installing with Active Directory domain services. After that, we will click on next. Then we select TCP IPv4 version. We will not installing TCP IP version 6. Here we give the network ID of our subnet. Or our IP address. Click next. Allow only secure dynamic updates recommended for Active Directory. Friends, as I informed earlier that we are installing this DNS for Active Directory, so we will select this for Active Directory. Here we see some other option like trust point, controller, conditional forwarder. We can also forward some queries to outside our server, like to internet, to route our some specific queries. We can also configure conditional forwarder. Friends, this is all about DNS manager. Here we will check whether our DNS server is working or not. We will use command nslookup to troubleshoot the DNS services. We go to all services and then click on restart. Friends, here we see DNS request timeout, and we also see one thing, IPv6 address is also shown here. We will go to network settings, and first of all we have to remove IPv6 from network settings. Go to network adapter properties, and here we see uncheck internet protocol version TCP/IP v6. Now again we check. nslookup. Now friends, our DNS is working successfully. Now we will give the name of any server. It's resolved successfully. It means DNS server is working fine. What's DNS do? DNS resolve the name to IP and IP address to name. This is the main functionality of DNS server. No, we have verified that our DNS server is working properly. Now go to Start, Administrative Windows, Administrative Tool, and click again on DNS server and click on if we want to restart services or clear cache, then we click on clear cache. If we click on properties, then we can add forwarder, we can use other IP addresses as well. Here my system is not connected within the internet, that's why it is not resolving IP address. Friends, this is all about the DNS server. Hope you will understand all the procedure. If you have any query, you can write me in comments. Okay, bye.